In this video, we're going to talk about the different storage options you can use with Amazon EC2. As you may remember from the previous videos, EC2 instances are AWS-provided virtual servers or cloud servers. They're the building blocks that fall under the infrastructure as a service or IaaS model that you can use to run your applications in the cloud. When we say IaaS or IaaS, it means that you get full control over the infrastructure, including having your preferred operating system like Linux, Windows, or even a custom image for your machine, specifying number of vCPUs and the amount of memory to be allocated to your instance, and as well as the attached storage size. Speaking of storage and storage size, AWS gives you a few different ways to handle EC2 instances as storage. And in this video, we'll walk through the three most important ones, which are EBS, EFS, and Instant Store. First up is Amazon EBS, or Elastic Block Store. EBS provides durable block storage volumes that you can attach to your EC2 instances. Think of EBS as a virtual hard drive in the cloud that behaves just like the traditional disks, but with more flexibility and features. EBS has several advantages. The first one is scalability, meaning that you can increase the size of your EBS volume on the fly without any downtime or pausing your work. The second one is independence, meaning that any data on an EBS volume is independent of the EC2 instance's lifecycle. This means that even if you stop, reboot, or detach the instance, your data remains safely stored on the volume until you choose to delete it. The other feature is persistence. Any data on EBS is safely persisted even if your EC2 instance is stopped. Stick around until the end of the video. We'll dive a bit deeper into this so you'll fully grasp what it means. The other feature is snapshots. Think of this like a quick capture from your existing data. You can take them anytime and be able to get exactly back at that state anytime or restore that specific point in time data. And an EBS volume can only be attached to a single EC2 instance at a time. And here are also a few common use cases that you can use EBS volumes. The first one would be attaching additional one or more volumes to your EC2 instance, having them as a storage volume for running databases on your instance, analytics workloads, or big applications where you need dependable block-level storage. Now let's cover Instant Store. Instant Store provides a temporary block-level storage, directly or physically attached to your EC2 instance. This storage type is like using a temporary workbench. It's great for quick tasks, but once you pack up and leave the workshop, anything left on the bench is gone. Since it's physically attached to the instance, its performance is very high, and it's very suitable where you have I/O-intensive operations and workloads. You have to note that all the data residing in the Instant Store is ephemeral, meaning that the data disappears if the instance stops or is terminated, and you don't have any of EBS features like scalability and snapshots. The common use cases for this storage type is when you want temporary caches, buffers, or workloads where data is constantly being rewritten and you don't mind losing it when the instance is gone. Finally, let's talk about Amazon EFS, or Elastic File System. Amazon EFS provides a shared, scalable file system that can be mounted across multiple EC2 instances at the same time. This means that different servers and applications can read and write to the same set of files concurrently, making it ideal for workloads that require centralized storage with parallel access. So its greatest benefit is you can attach the EFS file system endpoint to many EC2 instances at the same time. Many EC2 instances, even across services, can use it at once. It is also fully managed, meaning that you don't have to worry about maintaining this file system yourself. You just use the endpoint wherever you want. It grows and shrinks under the hood depending on how much you store on it. Some of the common use cases would be website with lots of content, development or test environments where many servers need access to the same files, or big data projects. So, when choosing between these storage types, it really comes down to your own use case. You should always think about the type of workload you're running on and how long you need the data to persist. In most general scenarios, people go with EBS because it offers a balance of durability, flexibility, and ease of use. Features like persistent storage, snapshots for backup and recovery, and the ability to resize volumes on the fly makes EBS the go-to option for everyday applications. But if you have a need for shared storage across multiple instances, EFS of course is the better fit. And if you're working with a temporary high-speed data that doesn't need to be saved, then Instant Store is the right option for you. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.